ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Yesterday we saw on page 56 in Tika, Nanu abadhitatvam paramarthikatvam uta sattvamatram. So somebody asked a clarification. I will just mention it again. Abadhitatvam, is it paramarthikatvam or sattvamatram? This is the question. Abadhitatvam visheshana should be added in the lakshana of pratyaksha jnanam. In the prama, abadhita jnana vishayatvam, abadhita vishaya jnanatvam, this was said, right? On page number 9, I think we saw.
अबाधित विषय ज्ञानत्वम्.
Jnanatvam. Anadhigata abadhita vishaya jnanatvam, we saw. So, abadhita vishaya jnanatvam it was given. So now here he says, abadhitatvam in jnanam should be added to eliminate brahma. Only brahma will be included. So he says abadhitatvam, is it paramarthikatvam? If you say yes, na adhyaha, ghatadi jnane avyaptehe. Ghatadi jnanam is not abadhitam. So then, abadhita jnanam, if you say, in ghatadi jnana, lakshana will not go. Why? Because according to Vedanta, ghatadi are not abadhita, they are badhita. And if you say sattvamatram, dvitiya vikalpa is sattvamatram. If you say sattvamatram, then shukti rupyadi jnane ati vyapte hai. Shukti rupya is also abadhitatvam. If you say sattvamatram, sattvamatram is there. Pratiti is there. So then lakshana will go in shukti rupya. Shukti rupyadi jnane ati vyapti will happen. This was discussed. Anyatha khyatiwadi is who?
नैयायिक
असत ख्यातिवादी
शून्यवाद
प्रभाकर मीमांसक इस
आख्याति.
आख्याति
who is आत्मख्यातिवादी
क्षणिक.
क्षणिक विज्ञानवाद. Okay. So the Purvapaksha here said that is what we have to see, right? Nanu iti. We have to begin. See
Swamiji.
in Moolam. ननु विसंवादी प्रवृत्त्या भ्रांति ज्ञान सिद्धावपि तस्य प्रातिभासिक तत्कालोत्पन्न रजतादि विषयत्वेन प्रमाणम्। ननु विसंवादी प्रवृत्त्या भ्रांति ज्ञान सिद्धावपि। व्हाट इज विसंवादी प्रवृत्ति? 1 नंबर टिप्पणी। विफला प्रवृत्तिर विसंवादिनी यथा तोय बुद्ध्या मरीचिषु प्रवृत्तस्य पिपासोः। व्हाट इज विसंवादी? Brahma and then visamvadi pravritti. First Brahma, then Brahma janya pravritti or Brahma janya pravritti. Viphala means Viphala pravritti hi visamvadini. What is that? Toya buddhya marichishu pravrittasya pipasoho. In Marichi, Maru Marichika, in Surya Kirana, which is falling on the sand, there is jala buddhi. Toya buddhya marichishu pravrittasya pipasoho. Pipasu, the one who has patum ichha. That person who is pravritta, who will not get jalam. So his pravritti is viphala. सफला प्रवृत्ति ही संवादिनी यथा गांगे जले पिपासो हो इति। सफला प्रवृत्ति ही इस संवादिनी प्रवृत्ति। इन गंगा जल पिपासो हो प्रवृत्ति ही। गंगा जल everybody also cannot drink easily because there is so much in Ganga ji. Some people can get stomach problems. But anyway, it is Safala Pravritti, so it is Samvadini. So Visamvadi Pravrittya means if I think there is Rajata, I go there and it is Bhranti, it is only Shukti. So that is called Visamvadi Pravritti. Visamvadi Pravrittya Bhranti Jnana Siddhavapi तस्य प्रातिभासिक तत्कालोत्पन्न रजतादि विषयत्वेन प्रमाणम। तस्य प्रातिभासिक तत्कालोत्पन्न प्रातिभासिक तत्काल उत्पन्न रजतादि विषयत्वे प्रातिभासिक रजत which is उत्पन्न at the time of Brahma. तत्काल मीन्स भ्रांति काल। भ्रांति कालोत्पन्न रजतादि विषये पूर्व पक्षी says in that which Vedanti believes that at Bhranti Kala there is anirvachaniya rajata utpatti. Purva Pakshi says in that there is no pramanam. Then Siddhanti will ask, then what do you think? He says, Deshantariya rajatasya kluptasyaiva tad vishayatva sambhavat iti. So that anirvachaniya khyati, in that there is no pramanam. Then Deshantariya rajatasya kluptasya eva tad vishayatvam. What does that mean? Which khyati?
अन्यथा
Anyatha khyati. Hattastha rajata, it's anyatha prakatanam. So Hattastha rajata is there and Shukti is pratyaksha. Pratyaksha Shukti, Hattasya rajata. So instead of seeing the Shukti, I see rajata. This is anyatha khyati, anyatha khyapanam. तद विषय से संभवात इति चेत् सिद्धांति विल से न सीटी का यद्यपि विसंवादी प्रवृत्त्या भ्रांति ज्ञानम सिद्ध्यति तस्य च विषयं विना अनुपपत्तिस् तद विषयं साधयति. So भ्रांति ज्ञान सिद्धि according to Purvapakshi in Visamvadi Pravritti, how it will happen? Without the Vishaya, tasya cha Vishayam vina anupapattihi. So that he says Vishaya is required. Anirvachaniya Rajat Utpatti is not giving Shukti Rajat Bhranti Jnanam. Okay, where is the Vishaya? He says तथापि सविषयः प्रातिभासिकस् तत्कालो उत्पन्न इति अत्र नास्ति प्रमाणम्. That विषय is प्रातिभासिक and it is तत्काल उत्पन्न, in that there is no pramanam. विसंवादी इति यद विषयक प्रवृत्तिस् तस्य लाभे तस्याः संवादित्वम् अलाभे तु विसंवादित्वम्. He explains what is संवादित्वम् विसंवादित्वम्. यद विषयक प्रवृत्ति ही तस्य लाभे तस्याः संवादित्वम्. यद विषयक प्रवृत्ति ही जल विषयक प्रवृत्ति से तस्य लाभे तस्याः संवादित्वम्. व्हाट इज तस्य एंड व्हाट इज तस्याः?
विषय लाभे तस्य लाभे तस्याः इस प्रवृत्त्याः.
तस्य मीन्स विषयस्य, तस्याः मीन्स प्रवृत्तेः, नॉट प्रवृत्त्याः, प्रवृत्तेः. विषयस्य लाभे प्रवृत्तेः संवादित्वम्. विषयस्य अलाभे तु विसंवादित्वम्. So if Vishaya is there, then it is Samvadi Brahma. If it is not found, then Pravritti will be Visamvadi. Tacha Bhranti Janya Pravrittehe ityarthaha. It is Bhranti Janya Pravritti. Nanu Vishayantara Anupapattis Tatra Pramanam iti Ashankyaha. Nanu Vishayantara Anupapattihi. So in that he says Vishayantara, that Vishaya which I am seeking is not there and some other Vishaya is present there. So Vishayantara Anupapattihi Tatra Pramanam. Vishayantara Anupapatti means Shukti is there. Vishayantara will be Rajat. Rajataha Anupapattihi. Rajata, even if it is not there, I see it as Rajat. This is the Pramanam for what? Vishayantara Anupapattis Tatra Pramanam. Tatra Kutra. Who will say Nanu? Okay, Nanu Vedanti will say. In what he is saying Pramanam? Anirvachaniya Rajat Utpattau Vishayantara Anupapattihi Pramanam. Because if you see the second line in Tika, Saha Vishaya Pratibhasikas Tatkalotpanna iti atra nasti pramanam. Purvapakshi says there is no pramanam in Tatkalotpanna Anirvachaniya Vishaya. Siddhanti says there is pramanam. What? Vishayantara Anupapattihi is pramanam. Iti Ashankyaha Deshantariya iti. Asannikrishta. So Deshantarya means that Hattastha Rajata. Asannikrishta Deshantaryam Vastu na Pratyaksha Vishayatva Yogyam iti doshayati. Siddhanti will say Asannikrishta Vastu, that Vastu which is not in front, that Rajata is in market. It is Deshantarya Vastu. Deshantaryam Vastu na Pratyaksha Vishayatva Yogyam. How can we get knowledge of that as Pratyaksha? It is not Pratyaksha Vishayatva Yogyam. Iti doshayati na iti. Asannikrishtasya bhrame bhanam nopapadyate. प्रत्यक्ष सामग्र्याः सन्निकर्ष घटितत्वेन तद्रहितस्य प्रत्यक्ष विषयत्वायोगात् इति भावः. असन्निकृष्टस्य भ्रमे भानं नोपपद्यते. इन असन्निकृष्ट वस्तु असन्निकृष्टस्य भ्रमे, इन सच वस्तु भ्रांति भानम न उपपद्यते, because it is somewhere else. प्रत्यक्ष सामग्र्याः सन्निकर्ष घटितत्वेन तद्रहितस्य प्रत्यक्ष विषयत्वायोगात्. प्रत्यक्ष सामग्री requires सन्निकर्ष वस्तु. सन्निकर्ष विषय is a घटक. सन्निकर्ष घटितत्वेन प्रत्यक्ष सामग्र्याः तद्रहितस्य सन्निकर्ष रहितस्य प्रत्यक्ष विषयत्वायोगात्. If there is no सन्निकर्ष, how can you say it is pratyaksha? Who will say this?
Purva Pakshi.
No, Siddhanti. Vedanti will say, how can you have bhanam of Hattastha Rajata as pratyaksha? Because Hattastha Rajata is not sannikrishta. Pratyaksha samagri requires sannikarsha. So sannikarsha ghatitattvena it should be. Pratyaksha samagriyaha sannikarsha ghatitattvena. Tadrahitasya सन्निकर्ष रहितस्य प्रत्यक्ष विषयत्व अयोगात्. It cannot be प्रत्यक्ष विषय इति भावः. Up to this is clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Everybody? Now, something new is coming. Purva Pakshi will say, Nanu, astu alaukikaha sannikarshaha iti ashankya. Purva Pakshi will say, there is alaukika sannikarsha. Nayayika, they believe in alaukika sannikarsha. How many types of alaukika sannikarshas are there?
Three.
What are they?
Samanya Lakshana, Jnana Lakshana, Yogaja.
This is from Nyaya Siddhanta Muktavali. Samanya Lakshana Sannikarsha, Jnana Lakshana Sannikarsha, and Yogaja Sannikarsha. And how many kinds of Laukika Sannikarshas are there? You don't answer. How many types of Laukika Sannikarshas are there?
Six.
Correct. What are they?
Sanyokta Samavaya, Sanyokta Samaveda Samavaya, Samaveda Samavaya, Visheshana Visheshya.
6 types. of Sannikarsha, Laukika. So here he says there is Alaukika Sannikarsha. Means there is Laukika Sannikarsha with Shukti. There is Alaukika Sannikarsha with Rajat. Alaukika Sannikarsha Jnanam comes here. Iti Ashankya. I will explain what is Alaukika Sannikarsha. सच किन सामान्यात्मकः किं वा ज्ञानरूप इति विकल्प्य नाद्यः. So Siddhanti is asking, is Samanya Lakshana Sannikarsha or Jnana Lakshana Sannikarsha? And Siddhanti himself says, neither. Not the first one. So it is not going to be Samanya Lakshana Sannikarsha. Why? Tatra Pramana Abhavat. There is no Pramanam. Now you see 1 number Tippani. Ayam Ashayah. महानसे वन्नि धूमयोर व्याप्ति ग्रह समये धूमत्वेन वन्नित्वेन च सकल धूम वन्नि व्यक्तीनाम उपस्थितिर जायते. In Mahanasa Vanni Dhumayor Vyapti Graha Samaye. In Mahanasa, when Vanni and Dhuma Vyapti Graha takes place. Vanni Dhumayor Vyapti Graha Samaye. So in Mahanasa, you see Mahanasya Vanni, Mahanasya Dhuma, you get the Vyapti. Yatra yatra Mahanasya Dhuma, tatra tatra Mahanasya Vanni. Vyapti Graha Samaye, Dhumatvena Vannitvena cha. At that time, Dhumatvena Sakala Dhuma Jnanam and Vannitvena Sakala Vanni Jnanam. So Sakala Dhuma Vanni Vyaktinam Upasthitir Jayate. This is what they believe. Satyancha Upasthitau, when that Upasthiti happens, Sakala Dhuma Vanni Vyaktinam Vyapya Vyapaka Bhavo Grihyate. Between all Dhuma and all Vanni, Vyapya Vyapaka Bhava is understood. So this is their Siddhanta. So in Dhuma Vyapyatva, Vanni Vyapakatva, and Sakala Dhuma Vyakti is Vyapya now. Sakala Vanni Vyakti is Vyapaka. This kind of Jnanam takes place. Satyancha Upasthitau Sakala Dhuma Vanni Vyaktinam Vyapya Vyapaka Bhavo Grihyate. If this is not accepted, Purvapakshi says, Nayayika will say, no chain, Mahanasiya Dhuma Vanni Vyaptya Parvate Dhuma Darshananantaram Anumitir Nasyat. If you don't accept this, then from Mahanasiya Dhuma Vanni Vyapti Parvate Dhuma Darshananantaram, how will you say Parvato Vanniman? How will you have this Anumiti Jnanam? Because you have to have a Samanya Vyapti. According to them, this is called Samanya Lakshana Sannikarsha. Ataha, therefore, because this Anumiti is there, so what happens? Vyapti Graha Samaye. In Mahanasa, when Vyapti Graha takes place, Sakala Vyakti Upasthitaye Samanya Lakshana Svikarya. Samanya Lakshana Sannikarsha you have to accept. Iti Tarkikaha. This is their Siddhanta. Now Vedanti says Atra Vadamaha. Vedanti says, see how Vedanti refutes. Actually, in this Grantha, Jatitva Khandanam was done. If you remember, Ghatatva Jati is not accepted. Samavaya Khandanam was done. Samavaya is not accepted. I hope you remember these things.
Yes, Swamiji.
Here now, Jnana Lakshana Sannikarsa Khandanam he is going to do. So, in this Grantha, a lot of things that Nayayikas believe, the other thing that Nayayika will believe is, or believes is, this Anyatha Khyati. Its Khandanam is also done indirectly. So, like this, different ideas are refuted by Vedanti in this Grantha. Basically, each thing that whatever Purva-paksha believes, mainly Nayayika, is being eliminated, refuted. Atra vadamah dhumatvena vannitvena cha sakala dhuma. This is only tippani, huh? See how big is the tippani. Next page. Sakala dhumatvena vannitvena cha sakala dhuma vanni upasthitischet. If sakala dhuma vanni upasthiti takes place, samanya lakshanaya स्यात् सर्वेषां सर्वज्ञत्वम् अयत्न लब्धम. Vedanti says, if by one dhuma you get sakala dhuma upasthiti, by one vanni, sakala vanni upasthiti, this is what if you say, then through samanya lakshana, everybody will become sarvajna. Samanya lakshanaya स्यात् सर्वेषां सर्वज्ञत्वम् अयत्न लब्धम. अयत्न लब्धम, effortlessly. न यत्नो लब्धः यस्मिन् तत् यत्न लब्धम. न यत्न लब्धम इति अयत्न लब्धम. Effortlessly everybody will become sarvajna. तथा ही सामान्य लक्षणा नाम प्रत्यासक्ति ही सन्निकर्ष विशेषः. Nayayika and all, they love all these things. Huh? They will go on discussing Samanya Lakshana Sannikarsha, Jnana Lakshana Sannikarsha, this, that. Vedanti says all this is not needed. Samanya Lakshana Nama Pratyasaktihi Sannikarsha Visheshaha. Sached Asannihita Vishaya api bhavati athacha Bhuta Bhavi Vartamana Yavad Avyaktya आत्मानं संयुनक्ति किम अविशिष्टम असर्वज्ञ प्रयोजकम इति. If through this सामान्य लक्षणा प्रत्यासक्ति, प्रत्यासक्ति means सन्निकर्ष or संबंध, another simple word is संबंध. By प्रत्यासक्ति, सामान्य लक्षणा सन्निकर्ष और सामान्य लक्षणा प्रत्यासक्ति ही सन्निकर्ष विशेष है. This what you understand. सचेत, if that is there, असन्निहित विषय अपि भवति चेत. हट्टस्थ रजत, it is not here. In that also through samanya lakshana sannikarsa has happened. Means some sambandha has happened, some random object somewhere. Then bhuta bhavi vartamana, any object of past, future, present, yavat avyaktya atmanam sanyunakti. Yavad avyaktya or halantyam also if you put, Yavad Vyaktya Atmanam Sanyukta. Yavad Vyakti. I think Halantam would be better. Or anything which is Avyakta. Avyakta means Apratyaksha. Anything which is anywhere, Atma is associated with that. How? Samanya Lakshana Sannikarsha or Jnana Lakshana Sannikarsha. Atmanam Sanyukti. Then Kim Avashishtam Asarvajna Prayojakam. Then he says, what is remaining for you so that you are asarvagnya. Means you have everything now to claim you are sarvagnya. Kim avashishtam asarvagnya prayojakam, asarvagnya nimittam. There is no such nimitta remaining. You have already become sarvagnya. तथा च ईश्वरो असि इति दृष्ट विरुद्धम अपि कल्पय. Then you might as well claim you are Ishvara, which is drashta viruddham. It is not in accordance with what we see, but you can still claim you are Ishvara because you have jnanam of bhuta, bhavi, vartaman, everything. Kaste nivarakah syat, who can be your nivaraka? Means who will disprove that you are Ishvara? You have proof to prove that you are Ishvara. अस्माभिस्तु सन्निहित धूमादि संयुक्तस्य चक्षुषः अतीत अनागत असन्निहित वर्तमान विषय समर्पणे सामर्थ्यम नोपलब्धम. Vedanti says we are to samanya people. We don't have samanya lakshana for all vishayas. We are common man. Asmabhistu सन्निहित धूमादि संयुक्तस्य चक्षुषः अतीत अनागत असन्निहित वर्तमान विषय समर्पणे. सन्निहित धूम संयोग has happened. What is proximate with that dhuma sanyoga took place. In Parvata, let us say dhuma is there. That is not going to give me samarthyam for other dhuma vanni jnanam. Or in Mahanasa, if I see dhuma, all other dhuma, which is atita, anagata, asannihita, their samarpanam is not going to happen in Vartamana Vishaya. Chakshu Sanyoga is only with one. Then what is of the past, what is of the future, what is not Sannihita, Asannihita, Vartamana Vishaya Samarpane, Samarthyan Asmabhihi na upalabdha. We don't have this ability that everything will come in front of me by then. Drishti viruddham tat kalpayataste sahasa vijrumbitam etat. And what is drishti viruddham? What is against the perception or our anubhava? Such kalpana if you do, tat kalpayataste. So you who are such kalpana karne wale, kalpayataha, sahasa vijrumbitam etat. Etat kalpanam sahasa vijrumbitam. You are taking a big risk and throwing some new ideas. Then Nayayika will ask, okay, then how do you explain that Dhuma is seen in Mahanasa and Anumanam you are doing in Parvata? How will you do? Kathan tarhi Vedanta Naye. Up to this is clear. Why Nayayika is saying they have to accept Samanya Lakshana? Why Siddhanti is doing Khandana? That Samanya Lakshana Sannikarsha is not right. This much is clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
The Siddhanti's point of view is clear, but I don't understand why the Nayayika's insist on Samanya.
Because Purvapakshi is saying, if you see Dhuma Vanni Vyapti is in Mahanasa. How will you say Yatra Yatra Dhuma Tatra Tatra Vanni? You should say Yatra Yatra Mahanasiya Dhuma Tatra Tatra Mahanasiya Vanni. How are you getting general Vyapti? General Vyapti would be possible only if you get the knowledge of all Dhuma and all Vanni. So now Siddhant is asking, Kathan tarhi Vedant naye Mahanasya dhumavani vyaptya parvate tadanumanam iti. And how, according to Vedanta Siddhanta, Naya means Siddhanta, Vedanta Naye, Mahanasya dhumavani vyaptya parvate tadanumanam. Through Mahanasya dhumavani vyapti, how will you use it for parvata, for anumanam? Iti. This Katham Tarhi is Nayayika asking. Vedanti will say, Shrunu samahitah san. Samahitah san shrunu. Samahit hokar suno thoda. Don't just go on talking. Listen. Vyapti graha kale means Siddhanti has an answer. Siddhanti is not just refuting without having answer. He says, we have thought over this. Vyapti graha kale mahanase mahanasya dhumavanyoho गोष्ठे गोष्ठीययोश्च तयोरेव व्याप्य व्यापक भावो गृह्यते. व्याप्ति ग्रह काले, when there is व्याप्ति ग्रह, महानसे महानसीय धूमवन्योः. In Mahanasa, if Vyapti Graha is there, Mahanasya Dhumavani, their Grahanam will happen. Between them, Vyapya Vyapaka Bhavo Grihyate. There is Vyapya Vyapaka Bhava. Goshthe, Goshthi Ayoscha. Goshthi means, you know how like in this cold weather, people gather near a fireplace. Outside you see so many places. They'll put up some fire. People will sit there. For some time they will talk. Or even shopkeepers, they have this. And they might drink some tea, coffee, or milk. Mainly in here, milk they will drink at night. Sit near fire. This is Goshthi. Goshtiya Vanni and Goshtiya Dhuma. So there they have Dhuma Vanni Vyapti. It is Pratyaksha. Goshthe Goshtiyayoscha Tayoreva Vyapya Vyapaka Bhavo Grihyate. Dhuma Vanyoho. Grihite cha prithak prithak Vyapya Vyapaka Bhave. So they are separately Grahanam is done in Mahanasa and Goshthi, etc. Samanyato Dhuma Vanni Vishayam Tam Anuminoti. So through that, Samanyataha Dhuma Vanni Vishayam Tam Anuminoti. Through that, he will have Samanyataha Dhuma Vanni Vishayam. So Anumanam will be that there is Vyapti between Dhuma Vanni and Vanni Vishayam. Dhuma Vyapaka Vanni Vishayam Anuminoti. How? There is Anumanam given. Yatha Dhumo Vanni Vyapyaha Mahanasadishu Tathopalambhat Prithvi Vyapya Gandhavat iti. Dhumo Vanni Vyapyaha. Dhuma is Vanni Vyapya. Sadhya is Vanni Vyapyatvam. Dhuma is Paksha. Mahanasadishu Tatha Upalambhat. This is how it is available in Mahanasa. Drashtanta is Prithvi Vyapya Gandhavat. Prithvi Vyapya Gandha. So Prithvi Vyapya Gandhatvam is available somewhere. This is the Drishtanta. In Drishtanta, so here you should, we should not say Prithvi Vyapya Gandhatva. It has Vanni Vyapyatvam. Prithvi Vyapya Gandha means there is a Vyapti available. Prithvi Vyapya Gandha in this yatra yatra gandhatvam tatra tatra prithvitvam, this vyapti is available. Like that, in Mahanasa also, Dhuma Vanni Vyapti is available. From that Vyapti, I understand Dhuma is Vanni Vyapya. This Anumanam is Spashtam.
Yes,
Yes,
Swamiji.
So this is the way in which Siddhanti has the explanation of how to do Parvatiya Vanni Anumanam based on Parvatiya Dhuma and Dhuma Vanni Vyapti, which he attained from any other place, and from there he did this Anumanam, Dhuma Vanni Vyapya. So they have Vedanti has ability to do the same thing without using Samanya Lakshana Sannikarsha. Now Purvapakshi has a question. Nanu, Mahanasadi Vritti Pratyaksha Dhume Vanni Sambandhasya Grihitatvat Deshantarya Kalantariyasya Anupasthitatvatcha Dhuma Vanni Vyapyo Nava Iti Sanshayo Na Syat. In Mahanasadi Vritti means that which is in Mahanasa. Mahanasadi Vritti Pratyaksha Dhuma, that Dhuma which is there in Mahanasa. Mahanasa means a kitchen, old kitchen, where Pratyaksha Dhuma is there, Vanni Sambandha is there. Pratyaksha Dhume Vanni Sambandhasya Grihitatvat Deshantarya Kalantariyasya Anupasthitatvatcha. Deshantarya Kalantariya, it is Anupasthita. Deshantarya Vanni, Kalantariya Vanni is not Upasthita. Deshantarya Dhuma, Deshantarya Kalantariya Dhuma is not Upasthita. Anupasthitatvacha Dhumo Vanni Vyapyo Nava iti Samshayo Nasyat. So then Dhuma is Vanni Vyapya or not, this Sanshaya will not happen if the Deshantarya, Kalantariya, Dhuma, Vanni are not there. Because what is Pratyaksha, in that there is no doubt. And what is Apratyaksha, if it doesn't come to your mind, then also there is no doubt. So there is no Samshaya. Dhuma, Vanni, Vyapyo, Nava, iti Samshayo na syat. But if you use Samanya Lakshana, then Samanya Lakshanaya cha Sakala Vyakti Upasthitau. Deshantariyadishu means Deshantarya Kalantariyadishu Vanni Nirupita Vyapti Sandeho Bhavishyati. Then there is Vyapti Sandeha. So through Samanya Lakshana, when everything is gained, then there is Vyapti Sandeha. So then Purvapakshi says, then we will explain that Sandeha will not be there. In your case, there is no room for Sandeha. Siddhanti says, iti chetna, Samana prakara nishchayasya eva samshaya virodhitvat. Samana prakara nishchaya alone is samshaya virodhi. Means, Dhumo Vanni Vyapya Nava iti akaraka samshayasya Vanni Vyapyo Dhuma iti nishchaya eva virodhi. Dhuma is Vanni Vyapya or not, in that Vanni Vyapya Dhuma, this Nishchaya is Virodhi of that. So what is Virodhi is that Nishchaya. In other words, what Siddhanti wants to say is this. If the Virodha of this is required, how it will happen? इन अप्रत्यक्ष वस्तु, देशांतरीय और कालांतरीय, in that the samshaya which is there in that vyapti, that samshaya will not go away when you see some pratyaksha vyapti. Pratyaksha dhuma, pratyaksha vanni, pratyaksha vyapti. In that, if you have nishchaya, that nishchaya is about pratyaksha vanni, pratyaksha dhuma. That nishchaya will not allow sandeha, samshaya for pratyaksha vanni dhuma vyapti. There is virodha. So that samshaya will have samana prakara virodha. In samana prakara nishchaya will do samshaya virodha, not anywhere else. Up to this we keep, then we'll continue. Samana prakara nishchaya samshaya virodhitvat. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.